Yeah, I mean, I think for me, it's just about like, how do we build community? How do we use social media as a tool for community? I think this is the first generation where we can use these tools to be able to mobilize and meet people from around the world, from communities we've never been a part of at like that, you know, like at a click of a button. I've met people from, you know, countries around the world that are working on climate activism in communities that I would probably never have access to or don't want to, you know, burn all the carbon to get to, you know, all those things. And it's just really exciting because like we're sharing and exchanging information at such a rapid rate. We're able to build new tools. And, you know, it's just very exciting what young people can do with social media if they use it strategically and leverage it as a way to mobilize the people around them to take action in their communities. I just think there's never been a better time for people to get involved in this fight, especially young people, because there's so much strategy that can happen. And on an intergenerational note, because, you know, I love older folks, I would say that like there's a really big opportunity in this room right now where it's like if you're, instead of being like, oh, I'm not on social media, it's like, no, why don't I treat people like us as experts and actually partner with us, because you have the institutional knowledge, you have access to all these resources in academia and climate science, and we have access to trusted audiences of hundreds to millions of thousands of people around the world. And so it's like, how can we actually create those intentional partnerships and build together? Because that, I think, is a piece of the puzzle that's missing. It's not a young people versus old people approach. It needs to be intergenerational if we're actually going to save this thing.
Yeah.